In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mailchimp to Squarespace. First, let's talk about what you're looking to achieve here. You've got your Squarespace website shining and ready to go, but to maximize your reach, you want to integrate it with Mailchimp, one of the most powerful email marketing tools out there. This will help you capture visitor information, build your mailing list, and engage with your audience outside of your site. Sounds good? Let's dive into how you can set this up step by step. We start off by getting into Mailchimp itself. Open your web browser and head over to the official Mailchimp login page. You'll land on a screen asking you for your credentials. If you're new to Mailchimp, you might want to sign up first, but I'm going to assume you've got your login details ready. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. Be careful to type it correctly. It's easy to mistype an email address and then wonder why you can't log in. Once you've got your username or email typed in, it's time to enter your password. Take your time, ensure your caps lock isn't on, and enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so a slight mistake will prevent you from logging in. With your credentials inputted, go ahead and click the login button. Now you're inside your Mailchimp account, ready to make magic happen. Your first step inside Mailchimp is to navigate to the home screen if you're not there already. This is where all your campaigns come to life, but we're focusing on audience building today. Next, you're going to look for and click on the Audience tab. This tab is where all your subscribers or potential subscribers are managed. Since the goal is to integrate Mailchimp with Squarespace, you'll want to pay attention to the next steps. Look for the Add Your Contacts option and click on it. This prepares Mailchimp to receive new contacts from your Squarespace site. After clicking Add Your Contacts, you'll see a Continue button. Click on it to move forward. Mailchimp provides various options for adding contacts, but since we're focusing on Squarespace, you'll pick that from the options provided. Look for Squarespace among the options and select it. This is where Mailchimp starts to integrate with your Squarespace account. Upon selecting Squarespace, you will see a prompt with the option, click here to go to it. Click on that. It's guiding you towards connecting the two platforms securely. Once redirected, you'll find a Connect button specifically for linking Squarespace and Mailchimp. Clicking Connect initiates the integration process. The final button you'll encounter in this journey is another Continue button. This is essentially Mailchimp asking for final confirmation to complete the integration. Click on it and voila, you have successfully connected your Squarespace site with Mailchimp. Now let's talk about a couple of pitfalls to avoid. Ensure that you're logged into the correct Mailchimp account before starting the process. Switching accounts midway could complicate the integration. Also, if you're managing multiple Squarespace sites, ensure you're integrating the correct one with Mailchimp. Remember, the key to leveraging this integration is actively engaging with your audience. Now that you've set up the connection, consider crafting compelling newsletters, announcements, or promotions to keep your audience in the loop about your Squarespace site's updates. Mailchimp offers a plethora of tools to segment your audience, personalize messages, and track the success of your campaigns. To sum up, integrating Mailchimp with Squarespace is a straightforward process that opens up powerful possibilities for engaging with your site visitors through email marketing. By carefully following these steps, you'll be set up in no time. And with this connection in place, you're well on your way to building a more robust online presence and fostering a deeper connection with your audience. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy mailing and good luck with your Squarespace site.